Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you Tailscale VPN for review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're looking for a way to log into your home server, access your NAS or NAS, or check a development project on your desktop while you're at a coffee shop, well, Tailscale here is an absolute game changer. Now, in this case, there are a few things that you need to clarify here. Now, the thing with Tailscale VPN, it's not a traditional commercial VPN. Now, it isn't built to hide your public IP address or trick websites into thinking you're in a different country. Instead, Tailscale here is a mesh VPN, which means it creates a completely secure encrypted private network linking all your personal devices together. So no matter where they are physically located in the world. Now, in this case, the best or the absolute best part about Tailscale here is how unbelievably simple it is to set up, especially if you've ever pulled your hair trying to configure traditional networking rules here. In the past, if you wanted to access home machine remotely, you had to deal with complicated port forwarding on your router, static IP addresses, and opening up frisky holes in your firewall. Now, Tailscale completely obliterates that headaches. Now, you just install their lightweight app on your laptop or your phone and your home server, log in using your standard Google or Microsoft account, and you are pretty much done. Now, it uses incredibly smart peer-to-peer technology to punch right through home firewalls and complex network setups automatically, establishing a direct encrypted tunnel between your machines without you ever touching a single router settings. Now, because it is built directly on top of the modern WireGuard protocol here, the performance is phenomenally fast. Now, your devices connect directly to each other rather than routing through a sluggish central company server. So your file transfer speeds are practically identical to being hooked up to a home Wi-Fi. Now, it also includes a brilliant feature called Magic DNS, which means you don't have to memorize a string of random numbers to find your server. Now, you can literally just type the word home server or NAS or NAS into your browser and it connects instantly. Now, even better here, they rolled out a massive upgrade to their completely free personal plan, expanding it to allow up to 6 free users with unlimited devices, making it an absolutely goldmine here for home labs and small tech projects. Now, just a few things that you need to keep in mind. Now, in this case, there are a couple of tiny things to keep or you may need to know. Now, because it is strictly a device-device bridge, you can't use it right out of the box to unblock foreign streaming sites like Netflix unless you spend time setting up a custom machine as an exit node. Also, the company's central coordination server is based on Canada, which sits under the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance. So because your actual data traffic is end-to-end encrypted and peer-to-peer, they can't actually see what you are actually doing anyway. But yeah, ultimately, if your goal is to seamlessly connect your digital life access to your local data safely from anywhere on Earth, now Tailscale here is easily one of the most magical, rock-solid tools you can install as of right now. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button, and watch our next video.